Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Oruma community in Bayelsa State, which lies next door to Oloibiri, where crude oil was first discovered in commercial quantities, have commended the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) for uplifting it from its backward state. This follows the completion of several kilometers of internal roads, as well as an ongoing road construction project awarded by the NDDC in the community.
Recently, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, and his team were at Oruma community in Ogbea local government area of Bayelsa State to inspect projects executed by the NDDC. The intervention agency had constructed several kilometers of internal roads adorned with solar-powered energy street lights, giving the community a significant facelift. Paramount ruler of Oruma community, King David Amakiri, who received the inspection team at his palace, commended the NDDC for its intervention, noting that the project had brought his community great relief. He said since the intervention by the NDDC, his community had seen tremendous growth and development in commerce.
Within this short period in office, the ND has brought a lot of joy. The first thing he did as soon as he came in, installed solar lights all over the community. So if you come here in the night, whether there is light or not, where there is electricity light or not, the whole place is bright.
The NDDC team also inspected the ongoing Oruma Rigid Pavement Road, which was 50% complete at the time of filing this report. When completed, the Oruma Road will link the 23.5 kilometer Otuasage-Obedum Emelego Road and bridges, which is an ongoing NDDC project designed to link communities in Rivers and Bayelsa states. Dr. Ogbuku noted that Oruma Road will serve as an alternative route to the dilapidated East-West Road for those commuting between Rivers and Bayelsa states.
It's like a shorter cut from the express road to the NDDC road rather than coming in from Otuasega community, so that communities that are going into River State can access this road as a shortcut. So it's more or less like a regional road, and as you can see, the contractor is also working even during the rain because the marching order given to him is to finish this road by the ending of October.
Oruma Community Liaison Officer Charles Yiba Eperema was grateful to the NDDC for constructing a road that would link its community directly to the federal highways.
This is a project that we have been yearning for, and now that we have the opportunity of this road, every Tom, Dick and Harry from Oruma community is happy, and we are doing everything to ensure that the road is completed.
The NDDC helmsman has directed the contractor in charge of the project to adhere strictly to specifications and ensure its completion in record time.
Inside the Niger Delta. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.